Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add custom sound to Discord soundboard server. To begin, open Discord. Here, open the server. After, display the options and select server settings. In this place, go to the soundboard section. Click on Upload Sound. Here, click Browse and you will add the desired sound. Click on Open. After, it's possible adjust the audio levels. After this, assign a name to this sound and if you need, can add an emoji. To complete this, you will click Upload. Now the sound has been uploaded correctly. Close this window. After, click on General section. Here at the bottom, click on Open Soundboard. You can edit the sound if necessary. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.